In this video, we're going to talk about employee maintenance and all the employee screens that are available to us. Left-hand navigation, select employees. You can click all employees. The recap of this screen shows all your active employees. You can toggle to see the terminated employees that are in red. You have a card view or you have the list view. You can add your new employee from here. To conduct some employee maintenance, let's select John Doe. I'm just going to double click and it's going to bring me right into his primary information screen. And this screen is your name, address, social security number. You can add a picture if you'd like. And then it'll select it from your computer. Then we can save our changes here. If you need to edit the rate of pay or add a new rate of pay. If you have an accrual set up for benefit time, you need to select the accrual plan here. Save. Changing departments. Your next screen is going to be your payroll information screen. On this screen is where you're going to have your earnings, deductions, and memos. For scheduled earnings, you only want to use this if they get an additional pay in addition to like their salary or their hourly wage. So this is always going to calculate and add it into the payroll check. Employee currently has health insurance and child support. So let's add 401k. Click the add button. 401k, percentage of gross, let's do 4%. And the effective date, oops. And save. Now we're going to do 4% 401k in addition to the child support and health. For the 401k match, it's under memo. And we have this calculation. So you just default it to 0 because it's behind the scenes, it'll calculate for you. If you need to delete, simply hit the trash can. And if you need to edit, you can just do the pencil. Here's your direct deposit screen. They currently have one account active for partial check. And see across the top, it says not all of the paychecks is being direct deposited. So he'll get a partial check and a partial direct deposit. Let's just add a net pay. Account number. Checking. Let's do the remainder of the check. You do not have to pre-note. And you click finish. So now you can see he's going to get $50 into the state employee credit union here. And then the rest is going to go into the different checking account. Your next tab is your human resources tab. Add reminders, documents, a driver's license. Here's where you can find the accrual information. Classification, it's all optional. You can add emergency contacts for family members, it's optional. Education, training, also optional. And an employee history with your own notes. Your next screen is going to be your tax information. This is where you find your federal W-4. And this is where you can find your New York State IT 2104 withholding. Additional fields are usually controlled by Priority One Payroll. You wouldn't need to access this unless you have the employee portal access. And the summary field, the last screen is just informational for you. You can't make any changes, but it'll show you the employee changes that have been made and by who and what date. And then when they get paid, they'll show your payroll information here. And those are all the employee maintenance fields. Any questions, please let us know. Thank you.